Hey, so I just showed up to my house. I haven't been here in a week and I hired a painter. And I'm just walking through now looking at all of the painting that she's done. And it's a thrill. It's a thrill to come in here and see these finished walls. Not all of them have the top coat on them. A lot of them are just primed, but still like just seeing now this finished product is incredibly awesome and satisfying. So what I'm going to do today in today's video, I'm not going to paint. I'm going to leave that to her because yeah, I don't really feel like being messy anymore. You know, you just kind of get to the end of wanting to be dusty and painty, and that's that. I'm good. So for today, I'm going to concentrate on moving these big piles of stuff down to the basement. So I'm going to go down to the basement. I'm going to clear a work area and I'm going to set up shelves and attach some hooks and things that I got to put to hang stuff on the ceiling. Organize all that, clean it all up, and move everything downstairs so that next week I can start on the floors, because that is the next phase at this point, which is so awesome. Because, you know, as I learned, doing the floors is difficult. It's a lot of work. It's like, you know, 3 different sanders and hours on your hands and knees, and you know, it's a lot of work, but the satisfaction of those floors coming to life is like no other project I've undertaken so far in the house. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to move everything down to the basement. So let's look at all these piles that I have to move. Here's the tool pile. It's pretty massive at this point. It's just everything's in the middle of the room, right? So that we could paint the walls. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to move down to the basement today. And then in this room, I'll leave the painting stuff here, but all of that is going to go down to the basement. Probably I'll leave the couch here, but move this pile of stuff. And then we'll just have to shift the couch around as we're doing the floor. So yeah. One more video where you can see the gorgeous walls. This one's only primed, not top coated, you can tell. But like behind me here, I know, it's a boring white wall. But it makes me so happy. Look at this boring white wall. It's not at all like it was when we started. Remember those windows? Remember tearing down curtains and the dust from the curtains going everywhere. So many months ago.
That way, 'cause that's the most satisfying.
Okay, going down in the basement just to see. See what I'm dealing with here. Okay. Drywall. Scraps, cardboard, trim, this over here in this dark corner. There's the other light. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. This is under the kitchen and definitely needs some love. But yeah, things need to be cleaned up around here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably start with this corner. There's all the baseboards for the house. Oh my God. Okay, well there's the rest of my day. Okay, so it's overwhelming to be honest to start down here, but I am feeling good about what I have to do here, which is organize all of this. So I'm going to start by putting a thing on the ceiling that I got. Is this thing mine because I liked the shape of it, and I know I can make one of these, but I don't have time, so I just bought one, and I'm gonna hang it up and start with the organization of the basement so that I can move everything down here and create like a workshop space and a place to store all my tools and all kinds of stuff like that. So they look like this. They go like this. And I'm gonna put it here so that it's along this pipe, which is already like a hazard that you don't want to hit your head on. So I'm gonna put this here like this, maybe one here and one there, and then just lay different types of wood along here. I have some trim to put here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Nice to get this stuff up off the floor. So what I learned about renovations is that it's about constantly moving piles of stuff the whole way through. And the other truth about renovation is that it's about getting rid of stuff. It's about dump trailers and hauling things to the dump and finding things that you misplaced several months ago, such as this window. The other truth about renovating is that you're not going to know how to do all of the skills. Unless you've been doing this for, I don't know, 50 years or something, then you've probably seen a lot of what you're going to be faced with, but me, no. And so here I am glazing window for the first time. I kind of liked it. I like playing with putty. I like making old things look new again. The truth is that with the right amount of TLC, you can make an old window look new again. And when you pair it with a storm window, maybe it's not a thermal pane, but it's still 2 panes of glass. And I don't know what the science is on this. I'm not sure what the research says, but I do believe that a good storm window and a well-maintained older window, if it's not rotten, can be efficient, maybe? I'll find out this week because I'm getting an efficiency test done, which will be very interesting. I'll get to find out exactly where the drafts are coming from, where there is still missing insulation, how sealed my windows and doors are, and other stuff that I don't even know about yet. Great. Yeah, pretty much. Everything's coming down. Foot cap. These are So here I am, shifting more stuff, making a new pile, taking things from an old pile, putting them in a new pile. Because the truth is, renovating is about shifting stuff from one place to another, again and again and again. I feel like I'm always in a mad dash to get out of here. So this spot is where I cleaned up like a pile of tools that used to be here. I don't know if you remember that pile of tools. RIP pile of tools. I put it in the basement, which I reorganized. And then I came in here and I primed in this room. So here's where the tools were before. So this is what the house looks like today. I emptied it out a great deal. Remember when those tools were there? Well, they're not there anymore. And then I came in here and I primed more in here, and I decided to paint that stack white. So it's looking really nice and fresh in here. And then I primed all this beautiful stuff. And then, well, this is very exciting to me, which is just that the basement is now semi-organized. So if you look over here, it's still in a state of getting organized, but look at my shelf, it's a little dark, but that's my organized tool shelf now. And all this space back here has been cleared. Everything is sort of organized, and I feel really, really good about it. Yeah, things are coming together. And the painter will come this week and finish the painting. And when I come in next weekend, hopefully it'll all be 100% painted. And I'll be able to just start on the floor. That was the plan this weekend, was just to get this cleared out a bit so that I could start on the floor next weekend. After the painter's been here and finished painting all the walls, which are primed. And then hopefully next weekend I'll be able to put in the backsplash here, because this will be painted, which is this pretty thing here. It's like a wallpaper black backsplash that you put there. And there are my plants. My plants are not dead, so that's good.